Yo, people are still awake. Wakey, wakey. It's Monday. See, that's my alarm. We're back. Guys, we're what do you think we have to do today? Can someone please tell me if they can see the screen? Like, I need to share this thing to the group also. Let me share quick. Can you see the screen? Can you hear me? Yeah, that's the questions that I have today. Mm, Guys, can you see the screen and can you hear me? I still want to send this thing to the group. Yeah, all is said we can. So our signal for today is please buy gold. At this current stage, I'm entering now with my phone. I'm gonna send the signal to VVIP and V. So just buy gold as we speak. I've entered 0.02 with 336 rands. I just need to send a signal to VIP. But then I can assure you that we are buying. It's Monday, first signal of the month. I'm already on profit, guys, on 10 rand profit. 2871. That's the code. 2871. Even ended up studying because we waited today. 01. That's a VIP signal. Monday buy gold, blah blah. Copy. We are up. I've sent the thing to the group. Then let me write the signal. Let me write the signal by gold. By gold Xauusd. So I'm gonna pin the comment. Yeah, I'm gonna analyze. Sorry, I was actually waiting for this. I removed everything. So let me use my mouse. This is what happened. So remember when the market opened, I sent the thing in the group chat and I asked what happened. The gap, the spike is this. It was so confusing. It's the one that actually delayed our progress. So people that have been into the mentorship, I always talk about you when I go live, is that there's a line here. You can always, hey guys, now I feel like I'm mentoring and I shouldn't be doing that. Let me do this. So you can see it jumped to the upside. It came back, resisted. It got supported the upward movement. So this downward movement was resisted from going down. Then what I was waiting for, it's for this confirmation. You can check at 1:48. We're still here, and 3:20 something. So I was waiting for something like this. Then I'm looking forward for something like this. This is my prediction for the day for Monday. Yeah, but then this is also a tricky situation here. We might, if possible, we might fall into this trap, but then I'm gonna follow. This is a tricky situation because, yeah, but for my prediction is that we take it like this. So if it goes anything below this level, then we are at danger. Below this block, we are at danger. And the reason why I did this block is because these are key points, guys. Let me give it to you. Let me give it to you. These are key points. So that's why even this side here, it becomes a key point. So when you enter, make sure that you don't enter too much to a point that you won't even be able to come back here. We can still come back here, or we can still come back a little bit below this and go up. So make sure that your risk management, you're entering there, you don't enter like you're dying today. You enter nicely and smoothly. So I'm gonna put the projection here so that I can take the screenshot when we are done. So I'm done analyzing for today. It's simple, like when you study this thing, or when you do the mentorship, or when you invest in learning, it becomes this easy. Like you're no longer learning, you're just doing your own analysis, and it's as simple as that. So this is what we have. I showed you how did I come up to this conclusion, looking at this previous and what I was waiting for, and what I'm expecting that must happen is this thing. We're probably gonna buy the whole day, but then I'm not gonna advise you to hold the whole day. So I don't know if you guys are satisfied or not with the analysis. Let's see. We can. I'm reading the comments. Everything is good. Morning, the screen and sound all good. Signal, sir. Can I enter? Can I enter my equities 259? Yes, you can enter Asanda. The time frame is 3 minutes. I entered to 5. It doesn't matter. So Ntando, I think even the last time I told you that your time frame doesn't matter, my guy. Whether you enter with 1 hour, 1 day, or whatever, as long as you're entering at the same time with me, it's the same signal, it's the same entry point. So yeah, I hate those gaps. Yeah, that's why I said in the free group chat that the free signal group that it might be tricky for all of us, but I'm optimistic with everything. We're buying. Be patient, guys. It's 3 4. Yeah, probably you're gonna start seeing serious results around. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, probably 4. If it's gonna take time at 4, then the latest time can be at 6. Yeah, but then that's it. It's as simple as that. Remember, if it goes below that bar, the thing that I drew, the grayish one, it's starting to scare me, even me, like I'm getting, I might start other opportunities. But as long as it hasn't went below that bar, do not worry, do not hesitate. Just make sure that you don't blow your account much. I've never lost a Monday. And people that have been asking me is that I'm scared that this might be the Monday that I lose or whatnot. But then um, I'm gonna keep the discipline. I'm gonna keep analyzing like how I always analyze. So there's nothing to be scared of. There's nothing to be scared of. I'm gonna answer questions as we do this thing. I'm gonna read there, but then most of the time I'll just keep quiet and let the market do what it does best. Just let me know if you can't see if there is anything that must come to my attention, please text me on WhatsApp. If you want to know something that I've done there, you have a question, you must just ask. Then I'll do it for you if there's time. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't see any question. I don't know if my screen is okay for you. Should I put it like this? Zoom out a bit. But this is where we are. This is our focus for today. Kind of what am I sharing? Okay. I don't know if you guys will tell me. We can see. Oh, Eddie, my guy.
Power off.
See, most of the time in the group, you get around 50 people saying that they will be present on the live, but then trust me, it's a crazy thing. Who's saying is seeing I see a double bottom and it's about to be manipulated soon. Hey, my guy, hey, I don't know. We'll see. I don't even know what manipulated you mean it's gonna go up or down. But what matters is that we must know that if it's going up or down. So um I wish you can explain more, but then I don't treat like that. I don't understand what you mean, etc. etc. So I'm just gonna keep calm, focus on my projection. I don't even recommend people to trade with patterns. Don't ever do that. Just head on shoulder, triple bottom, double bottom. Do not trade with those things. They don't work. They are there, but then they don't necessarily follow the direction. Let me quickly come here and show you some. This is triple bottom and it's working because there's a resistance. There is one touch, two, three, and a direction. But I'm gonna show you something about the patterns. I know them, but I don't trade with them. So this is double bottom. Those that know patterns. So you can see that the market went from touch one, came back touch two, and per this pattern, it says that it must go down like this. But tell me, did it go down? No. That's why I'm saying that I don't understand what you mean. I don't know what but I'm just gonna keep trading the way that I do. So that's why I always say to people, stop trying to trade with everything that you find on the internet, especially these patterns. the ones that you see above head and shoulder, they work those things. They're good for your knowledge, but then it's not what you should focus on in terms of. Okay, we'll see, Brendan. I understand what you. I don't understand why you see double bottom and how does. Oh, okay, maybe we'll see. We'll see. But then let me just define something. Why I decided to enter now. So, Brendan, the reason why I don't think it will come to this point is because of this. We have entered a new zone. The market has been rejecting here, and when it came here, it shot up. It rejected here, and so there's no way we'll come back to the previous zone while we started a new zone. So I hope you take that thing away. As you can see, Tina, we are shooting up. We won't go down. It's a new zone. But then if we go down, you are right. The gap is necessary to be filled, but then I don't see us going as low as that. Hey, today you guys are 31. No, it means that people are taking this Monday serious. The Monday thing, I think the highest that I've been is 28. So it's good to see everyone here. Welcome to the one and only live trading. The same signal that you guys are taking is the same signal that VIP students are taking as we speak. Um, if you wanted to know, so you must know that if we're taking a loss today, then the VIP it's on a loss. 100% that without without even hiding it. As it's raining where I am, and I hate going to school while it's raining. Ugh, and it's Monday and I have classes. It stresses the hell out of me. But let me see how we're doing. We are doing well. We are doing well. Pisquab. I know that we are on a bit of negative now, but it's gonna be worth it. You can see. Brendan, just in case you're wrong, please take notes. I feel like taking a nap, yes. Remember, the session is going to be an hour. Whether we made money yet or not, I will end the session and we will resume via screenshots, the before and after. So just watch the thing there, you can see. After today's win, we are joining. Brandon, you must take notes. You see what's happening there. Remember, the reason I'm saying that the gap might not be filled is because of what? The new zone that we entered. I know it's not a problem. You can still remain in the free and trade with me on Mondays. So, but then if you make money, I'm assuming you make at least 500 plus today. You can come join, and you'll just find your own money for what most guys do. They just get 500 and they panda up 200 to trade. and when they win, they get to create a budget for trading. So we are on profit. It's a must. The upside, you can see things zimtebelele. Let's see what the market has for us. Let's just push it. Let's push a little bit. Let's push a little bit. But we are doing well. Brah, it's just that this person, whoever just said tell us when to add, you are not in VIP. I won't do that, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I won't do that. Mm, first time on a Monday session, and I love how you analyze. Thanks, man. I said the reason I analyze like this is because I'm used to, or I have the knowledge for analyzing, and I'm used to doing this. So it becomes, my chat don't become too complicated. It's straightforward, and I only focus on the key things. To be honest, here I can draw a trend line if necessary, but I don't see the need for that because sometimes it even disturbs my mentality that, oh, my trend line is getting invalidated. So I only draw important things like support, resistance, so that I know that now the market is being supported to move up or move down, or now the market is being resisted to move up or down. I hope you understand, but then I think it's because of the knowledge that I have and the need that I know regarding this thing. If ever I should add, like if there's a need for me to put the trend line or not, if I can trade without the trend line or not. So it's what makes it simple. I'll remove the arrows as time goes so that we can take the screenshot um, to show whoever that is sleeping tomorrow. So this is how we do it. Let me take a screenshot. Yep. Done. Then I'm gonna leave it like this. I'll send the before and after tomorrow. But for now, we'll watch the market together. We'll answer questions until the session. It's an hour plus. Until the session, it's on 1 hour something something. But we are on profit. So much, man. It doesn't really cost me a lot to do it 1 day out of 5 days. So in a week, just taking 1 day and doing this, then nah, it doesn't really cost me a lot. I think I'll keep on doing this thing until whenever. I don't know, but it's actually, it's not much of a strain to me. It's nothing. I'd still be doing this in the VIP if there was no live stream. So it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, and what we need from there, it's a stress move to the upside. Nowadays, signals are coming at 4, and it's late. Shem. Even now. So guys, I started this thing in grade 11 on the 5th of May, but I stopped grade 12 in matric. First year university, I was making, yeah, actually come along with this thing. I was making 1,000 with 200, but I was not consistent. So even though I was making it, I was losing it. Started being, I think, to be honest, like honest truth, maybe it's because February was good, but I think if someone was to ask me when did I start being profitable, I would say last month. Because I can tell you, last month we had less than 5 losses, the whole month, less than five. So that's been profitable for me, not the things that I was doing. I know I used to make 9,000 per day. Let me not say per day as if it's every day. A day on Vault with US state, but it was costing me. So one thing that I can tell you now is that I am consistent, I am disciplined. And yeah, so it took me, I would say, I would say 2 years of not being consistent and 2 years of being consistent until I had to be profitable like now. So I'm gonna count grade, I don't know. Oh, maybe let me say 3 years of being consistent. I'm gonna say grade 11, 12, not being consistent. Then first year, second year, third year, I've been consistent. Actually, 5 years for me to be profitable like this, to know what I'm doing, when I should do it, and where I should do it. So 5 years. Whoever, God will, the person who's busy waving, you are texting in the chat and there's a signal there. So you are late, we won't go back and announce the signal. That's why we leave it in the chat. Someone just even told you, but then it's pinned on the chat. There's no point of us telling you because it's there. I always pin it. People that always join, they know that they always find the signal in the chat box. So let's move. Sell that gold. Oh, I almost said sell that gold. Buy that gold. Gold diggers. Let's dig gold. Lago. Like this is a serious slow Monday. And we'll just see in 20 minutes. 17 people from 34. Okay. People are sleeping and they're sleeping with their trades moving. It's okay. Guys, I have 6 minutes until I close this and we'll do the before and after. We'll talk in the free signal group. Yeah, but then in overall, that was our signal for Monday, 1st of March. And we hope that it gives us nothing but great outcomes. I will update you. Just that today came before 3. Normally, what you see there is what will come at 3 o'clock. So I'm hoping that we'll have more spikes because normally what I trade here is that yeah, the movement normally is being pushed by spikes because the market just opened. Yeah, they will just react. You know, people in the free signal group, they love reacting with sad emojis when they miss the signal or when you send something. So it's okay. It's okay. As let's move. Are you making money or what? I said I won't tell anyone when to add, guys. I can't. It's a trading responsibility that comes with consequences. It's a trading responsibility that comes with consequences. So let me just do. I'll bring back this thing. Ah. So what we do there in prioritization, I'll bring back the arrow. Is that after having these basic things, this is where your thing would be. Your trend line would be here. It was broken here. Then we expect an upward movement and a retest. This we can say it's a retest. Then this thing must go up. So there's so many confirmation, but then I decide to keep it simple as much as I can. So yeah, I just thought of showing you that just before we finish. That's why we are moving to VIP when we make okay guys. So I think in this instances we'll just let the market. I have the screenshot of this setup the way it is, and I'll do the before and after. We are just left with 2 minutes, 1 minute. I'm also sleepy because around this time, 4, I would have been done and made money around 3:30, 3:20. We'll be sleepy this time, but yo, eh, you know, things don't come easy. Like I said, what we're doing here is not easy. It can never be easy. Don't get intimidated by these things. I said until this thing cross this block, then if it doesn't cross, then our buys are still valid. So don't be intimidated. You see, even this movement here, you would say that it was the end of the world. Look at this. But still, there was a follow up. So even this small kind of movement that may take you to negative, don't be intimidated. Let me check somewhere. Just look at this. I want to show you something. Imagine you had your buys here and this happens. You don't get scared because you stay confident in your signal and yeah, everything will go well. I think I might also sleep now because no, but when I sleep with my trade on, I take naps. It means that after an hour, I try and wake up and check what's happening. So I think we are done. It's an hour something. Need to. It seems like I think it was. Yeah, ish. Guys, ish. This thing is not easy, man. We get sleep. We get tired. I'm gonna send this thing just before I close. So, any questions before I close? People, I love making an example with people in the VIP. They know that consistent. It consists of risk management, consistency, patience. You don't add too much. They know very well. You don't add while it's shaky like. So it cost us a lot, man. It cost us a lot, guys. Thank you for joining. You can see I'm also yawning. Means that it's tough. We'll do the before and after on the free group chat. Everyone take care. Remember, the last note is that if this block here that you see, if the market doesn't cross this, then we are still on the buys. We are confident that we must buy. So yeah, that's it. Take care, guys. I'm out of here.